Hey YouTube crew, small update here to the '89 CSX. I don't know if you can tell from this video, but my antenna is kind of bent. Like if you turn it, you can see it kind of wobbles quite a bit. See there, it's bent pretty bad. And not only that, but it's just really long. So I went ahead on Amazon and I ordered smaller 14-inch antenna. See there, 14-inch. I'm gonna try this out here. See how this works. Let's go ahead and get rid of this old one. See, it's kind of bent. If it wasn't bent, I would have just left it on there because I'm not too terribly concerned about the size. But it's bent. I mean, you can see here it's bent pretty bad. All right, let's get this open with one hand. All right, come on out of there. Okay. Went ahead with the 14-inch. They had a 7-inch option as well, but I figured the 7-inch would just be way too small. And actually, the 14-inch is kind of small too. Let's see if I can. No, that doesn't quite screw on there right. It's got some adapters on here. Let me try one of these adapters. There's this screw here like this. Yeah. And this goes on here like this. I think we figured it out. So those two go on like that. Okay. And there. Okay. So what do you think, YouTube? Do you like it better with that little antenna or with the big long one? I don't know, maybe I'm just not used to it, but that short one looks kind of weird. But anyway, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. As always, thanks for watching. See ya.